Hello everyone, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you which Shopify theme will be best for you. So, if you want to start your online business with Shopify and with a free theme, then this tutorials will be very helpful for you. Here I am going to share everything about each theme from Shopify theme directory and why it's best and what is the feature you are going to get and where you will face the restriction or where you will face that you should custom work or premium theme or paid code snippet. So everything I will share so that you can understand everything before using free theme to start your online business. So as a Shopify user, you must have to watch this video. So before start Shopify free theme review or overview from Shopify theme directories, I have to share something about me. My name is Faisal and I'm working as a Shopify developer more than 6 years and also working as a SEO expert with AI. So here I have all experience to build a custom Shopify theme or a store for any e-commerce business, no matter what is the business size, small, medium or large. Also, I have practical real life record track to rank any store organically on the search result and bring traffic from search result and bring organic customers that is actually target audience to any Shopify store. So if you want any service support relevant this type of service or tax or work, then you can contact with me. So now we're going to Shopify theme directory. Here is the shopify.com Shopify official website and we are going to Shopify theme directory. So search on theme.shopify, then you will go to the Shopify theme directory, and when we are in there, you see, choose the right theme for your business. That's mean they already mentioned the main things in here. Choose the right theme for your business. Look for a design with the feature you need most, then customize from there. Okay, so now we're going to click on the view all, and you see there are two type of theme, free theme and paid theme. So as a new entrepreneur, you have to go with free theme. This is my recommendation because you can spend your money on marketing that you have to pay for paid theme. Because if you look for paid theme, just look here, you see the paid theme price is 400 USD. That's too much. You can use this money for ad campaigns, TikTok ad, Facebook ad, Google ads or YouTube ads or even any SEO service that I provide. So that will be very helpful for your business. That's why I don't recommend paid theme at the first time, because using free theme you can make a professional Shopify store, and I have already published more than 1000 video relevant Shopify store design, customize and development using multiple free Shopify theme. And that's why I think using my YouTube channel or following my YouTube video guidelines, you can make a professional Shopify store, customize it and develop it as your need, as I provide free ready code snippet. Right now we are on the Shopify theme store and I select the price, and from here I'm going to select newest, and as I select newest, you see here the fabric theme, sober theme, Brussels theme. They are the three latest theme. And if I go to the bottom, the Dawn is the oldest theme, and the most important things is that Dawn was the official default theme of Shopify, but right now Horizon is Shopify official default theme. And from my experience and research and real life practical experience, most of the Shopify store use Dawn theme and still now wild with Dawn theme, as it was a default Shopify official recommended theme for a long time, and recently they have updated with Horizon. They make a new theme that's name is Horizon, and they wild Horizon the official default theme when Sidekick developed. Sidekick means AI featured on Shopify admin panel, in where you don't have to go any AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or any other platform or AI tools to get anything using AI. Using site click, you can do any AI relevant tags using the site click from your Shopify admin panel, and this time they publish it or announcement new Shopify default theme. So here is the two theme is mainly highly recommended for any Shopify store: Dawn theme and Horizon theme. In Horizon theme and Dawn theme, you will find all the required e-commerce features. Also, if you want to build different style or different design for different purpose, then you can try different themes. And I have already published multiple video full guideline based on theme, like how to customize Shopify craft theme, how to customize Shopify Sense theme, how to customize Chastis theme, Studio theme, how to develop or how to set up design. I make multiple video based on every theme. And here I want to share something with you, because I said that I will share all theme review, but we don't require to share all theme review in details. At the first stage, you can start with Dawn theme or Horizon theme, and if you have specific business that match with the theme, for example craft theme is directly relevant with craft related product. If you want to start like cosmetics or skincare item, then you can start with Sense theme because it's wild with skincare relevant product. Then if you want to sell something like drinks or cold drinks or juice, then you can start with this theme. And if you want to build something relevant like a leather or bag, then you can start with Horizon theme. For ebook or digital relevant product, you can start with publisher theme. And for specific product like a men's style that is relevant to sports, then you can start with the Spotlight. You see, looks here. So I hope you understand how to select or which theme you should use to start your online store design for your e-commerce business in Shopify. And now I want to share some things with you. With free theme, you never can get the all featured like paid theme, because in free theme you don't have to pay anything. But if you go with paid theme, then you see you have to pay 300 USD, 400 USD or much more. But in free theme you never can expect like paid theme. That's why here's the few limitation for picture and design. But the good news is that as I am working as a Shopify developer, I share Shopify store design, customized development and ready code snippet. Then you can start with free theme and make a professional store with free theme. So here is my final recommendation. If you want to start a general store or business that is not relevant with this niche or with this categories, you see here is the multiple category based theme, then you should start with Horizon theme. And if you want much more customization, then start with Dawn theme. And if you have a specific category or niche, then start with specific theme that is relevant to your product. So here is the details of this video. I hope you understand everything. So thank you so much for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Also, if you need any free consultation to select the right theme, then you can connect with me. I will provide the free consultation and I can help you to choose the best theme for your business. So see you there. Have a nice day. Bye bye.